Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help you avoid those pesky insurance traps so that you can save money and get the best coverage. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 car insurance traps to avoid, and for each one of them, I have an example just for you. So let's dive in right now with number 1. Number 1 is explain staged accidents. Now, what is an explain staged accident? This happens when someone purposely causes a car accident and then they file a claim with their insurance company. And guess who pays for it? The insurance company pays for it, right? No, we do. We pay for it through our higher premiums. Or let us say you re-driving down the road and all of a sudden somebody cuts you off and you get into a fender bender, right? And the person jumps out and they're like, "Oh my God, are you okay?" They start asking you questions. They seem nice. You exchange information and then you go on your way. But what that person does is they go and they report the accident to their insurance company and they say that you were the one who caused the accident. Well, if you didn't have any witnesses and there's no police report, it's kind of your word against theirs. And what ends up happening is oftentimes the insurance companies will believe the other person because they've been in a lot of accidents before and they know how to scam the system. Well, guess what? It gets worse. If you happen to be at fault in that accident, they may take your insurance and they may even take your license. So what do you do if you ever find yourself in this situation? Well, I have a solution for you. Stay tuned because I'm going to reveal it right after this. So what is the solution? Well, it's very simple. You need to have dashcam footage. Now I'm going to tell you something else as well. Dashcams are not only going to help you in an accident, they help you if you ever get pulled over by the police, or if you ever need to file a claim for something else. Alright, so what is the second trap? Second trap is called claim fraud. Now, I've already talked about explain staged accidents, which is part of claim fraud. But another part of claim fraud is when you have a body shop that is in cahoots with the insurance company, and they inflate the price of the car, and then they take your perfectly good car, and they turn it into a total loss. Alright, so what's the next trap? No, 3 is overpaying for your car insurance. Now, there are many reasons why people overpay for their car insurance. One of them is because they don't have the proper coverage, or they have too much coverage. Alright, so what's the 4th trap? The 4th trap is having the wrong deductible. Now, most people do and know this, but you actually have a choice when it comes to choosing your deductible. You can have a high deductible, or you can have a low deductible. And what's the 5th trap? The 5th trap is using your insurance company as your agent. Now, what I mean by this is that some people, when they buy their car insurance, they use the insurance company that the dealership recommends, but here's the problem with that. The dealership is getting paid to recommend that insurance company,